Hi, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will teach you about how to make a portfolio website on Framer. Make sure to watch all the way through to not miss a single step. Framer is a well-known website for portfolio creation if you want to make a portfolio if you are in a hurry. Just create an account, go to the dashboard, and start creating from a free template given. You can save tons of time with this pre-made template, and of course, you can customize some of the options to suit your needs. Upload your website portfolio, give an introduction to it, and adjust some options to match your style. Save your time. Thank you for watching, and good luck!